Welcome to video 11D, part 3. This video will focus on the third measure in the economy and land sector, land management in the Battle River Watershed study area. Researchers use 3 indicators for this measure: land development, linear development, and agricultural land use. As there are a number of maps for each indicator, there will be 3 videos, one for each indicator. This video will focus on agricultural land use in the Battle River Watershed, or BRW, study area. The first table, 4.6, shows the proportion of land cover used for agricultural cultivation by sub-watershed in 2010 and 2018, and the percentage change from 2010 to 2018. There's a slight increase in all sub-watersheds with the exception of Blackfoot, seeing a slight decrease. Much of Alberta's land is developed for agricultural use, livestock and crop production. Agricultural farmland in Alberta spans over 50 million acres. The first map shows the land cover by development type, mines in the BRW, using data from 2018. The second map shows the area in the BRW that has landfills, also using data collected in 2018. And the third map shows the high-density livestock and concentrated feeding operations land cover in the watershed study area. Alberta is the largest beef producer in Canada. The fourth map used for the agricultural land use indicator is cultivation land cover. Most of the BRW area is dominated by farmland. Alberta has the second largest number of farms and farm area in Canada. Figure 4.7 indicates the percentage of land cover for major crop types within each sub-watershed of the BRW in 2020. Wheat and canola are the top 2 agricultural crops for all the sub-watersheds in the BRW. The next map shows the crop inventory for the BRW and includes crops such as barley, wheat, canola, peas, pasture or forage land, and others such as oats, corn, and lentils. Alberta is the 3rd largest exporter of agriculture and agri-food products. The final map for the agricultural land use indicator is human-created water bodies in the BRW. Sustainable farming requires care and planning to conserve soil and water, manage pests and diseases, and maintain profitability. The loss of agricultural land in Alberta is a concern, especially high-quality land around urban centres. Land stewardship and land planning in Alberta do not currently include robust mandates for agricultural land conservation. In 2019, the Environmental Law Centre in Alberta released an overview of law and policy relating to agricultural land in Alberta. The report describes legislation that pertains to agricultural land and agricultural activities and closes with several recommendations, one being that regional planning systems could establish agricultural greenbelts or reserve agricultural land where agriculture would be the priority use to facilitate land conservation. Please like and follow for more videos and more information about our Health in the Watershed Atlas project.